Hello. We will teach 10 of you in the Artcam 2011 training set. We continue with vector searches. We will see the Create Ellipse command. We clicked. Now that the ellipse command is active, a window opens again. The required rectangle command we have drawn here is. We need the rectangle command, the circle command. They all have the same logic. The only difference is that it manifests differently in terms of work. As you can see here, just like the other commands. We know the distance of the center point of our sketch ellipse to its origin. Apart from this distance, it is sufficient to enter a height and the width of the ellipse. Here is 100 high, 200 wide. Here the angle is open to 30 degrees. As you can see, when we ask it to draw an ellipses, in the dimensions we want. He drew us an ellipse. Command deed has no other attraction. Not only on command but also without measure. You can bring the Mago to any place on the page and its size is free. We can also make ellipse drawings. That's all I have to say about the command. See you next support. Goodbye.